Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're old but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this love triangle that ended up with a female Jamaican being dead. So initially, the story that they ran didn't make much any sense. And we got some information. So I'm gonna go with the logical one that people have been saying, and it's alleged that the girl was involved with a married man. The married man was separated from his wife, and I think they were living in separate homes. The married man and the wife had an argument earlier that day, and she came over to her husband's house. When she came over to her husband's house, she saw the girl that you have been seeing on social media circulating, and also if you're in hubby's WhatsApp group, you would also have seen the picture of her. She saw the girl laying in the bed, and then she proceeded to stab her. At the end of the day, she ran out of the house butt naked and actually died on the side of the street. And it's alleged that this woman also stabbed her husband a few months before this occurred. So I guess she like stab up people. I don't know what it is. But I'm going to read you this news article, and it says, the Runaway Bay Police in St. Anne again. Just the other day they have Raven Wilson that was raped and killed. 2 15-year-old boys were actually arrested for that. On Friday, arrested a woman for the stabbing death of another woman in the community of Bel Air Phase 2 in the parish on Thursday. The suspect identity has not been released by the police, as no charge has yet been laid against her. The nude body of the deceased woman was found with multiple stab wounds in a section of the community known as Crocodile City. Early Thursday morning, she is yet to be identified. The suspect is believed to have stabbed the woman after she went to the home of her spouse at 6 a.m. on Thursday and saw the woman asleep. According to claims going around on social media, the suspect stabbed the victim in the neck and other section of her upper body. The victim reportedly woke up during an attack and ran outside in nude before she succumbed to her injuries. On Thursday, the police appealed for public assistance in identifying the deceased woman. So, one thing I need to talk about, and me and hubby were actually talking about this, and when you cheat on women, especially Jamaican women nowadays, they don't seem to be taking it the way they used to take it. A lot of the time they would just leave the person that they're with, move on, end of story. But now these women are getting their spouses killed, or themselves is paying someone to kill their spouses, or they just outright, like this woman did, kill somebody. Honestly, I don't think anyone is worth killing over. You may love your husband, or you may love your wife, and you want your marriage to work, but when you're going to go as far as to kill someone, this lady stabbed this woman laying in that bed, stabbed her to death. Okay, if you see the graphic picture of this woman laying out nude in this community, you can see in her eyes, she died with her eyes wide open. You can see that she was scared. You can see that everything happened as a shock to her. You can see that. That's how her face look, laying on the floor, naked. Women need to be very careful about who they choose to be with in a marriage. If it's not working, it's just not working. You don't need to kill anybody. And also men, please, if you know you don't want to be with somebody in a marriage and you just, it's over and done, tell them that. Don't prolong your marriage or prolong your relationship because you don't want to hurt somebody's feelings, or you think that you can have your cake and eat it too. At the end of the day, it's not worth it, and it's not worth your life also. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. A lot of people have been saying, what if this woman was one of the husband's family members? But I think that they have been married for long enough for her to know who is his family member and who isn't. So that would clear up that right there. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think that someone is worth killing over? Do you think that someone is worth going to jail over? Because now this woman is probably going to spend the rest of her life in jail. Her husband is going to be their road and sleep with whoever he wants to sleep with, and it didn't do her any good. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.